Hello friends and welcome back to Edureify YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this video is going to be dedicated to all the aspirants who are aspiring for RRB Group D examination. So we will be sharing some important information for RRB examination. So please stay tuned. And जिसने भी अभी तक हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, हिट ऑन द बेल आइकन सो दैट फर्दर हम जितनी भी वीडियोस बना रहे हैं आरआरबी एग्जाम से रिलेटेड उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच जाए एंड आप इजीली एक्सेस कर सकें. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द एस्पिरेंट्स मस्ट बी हैविंग क्वेरी कि अब बस एक महीने का टाइम बचा है एंड व्हाट सोर्स टू यूज़ कि हम अपना प्रिपरेशन जो है एक महीने में कर सकें और इस बार 2022 के एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक कर सकें. So yes, we are having a solution for your problem. As you can see, Edureify.com, our learning platform, is already open on my screen, and we are doing revision online while doing the mock test on daily basis. So you can see we have RRB Group D Exam over here. So you will be able to get all the material. Tests are adaptive and these are going to help you improve your score minimum 40%. Yes, I'm saying minimum. You will be increasing minimum 40% of your score if you are practicing daily with Edureify RRB Group D mock test, because these questions which are being provided over here are being aligned with the new syllabus with the quick hints and easy supports. So as you can see, we are providing you practice test, full mock test, advanced test, previous year papers, chapter test, sectional test. So, and the best part is currently we have reduced the prices of our monthly pass. Earlier it was 599, now it's only for just rupees 149, 150 rupees. So don't you think it 150 rupees for a month is very much good amount to have so many number of mock tests for you to attempt. अगर आप minimum 10 to 15 mock test का भी टारगेट बनाते हैं एक महीने में करने का, तब भी आपके पास बहुत सारे मॉक टेस्ट यहाँ पे अवेलेबल होंगे जो आप नहीं लगा पाएंगे. सो यू कैन सी देयर आर n number of mock tests for you to prepare. And the best part is you are also getting the previous year paper from which you will get the insight of the examination. Before practicing mock test, you have to also practice your previous year paper so that you know which kind of questions are coming and which will be coming this year. So we'll just take one text and see how it goes. So ये आप हमारी Edureify लर्निंग ऐप पे भी जा सकते हैं. सो जिसने अभी तक हमारी ऐप डाउनलोड नहीं करी है, यू कैन गो टू गूगल प्ले स्टोर, सिंपली टाइप Edureify द लर्निंग ऐप, and from there you will get download it, install on your mobile phones and start using. So here you have to sign in with your email address or Google. So this is the test where you are getting 90 questions. Okay, so here's the first question. Which of the following numbers is present only in the square and the circle? So your answers are 4, 2, 5, 3. So whatever is the correct answer, simply click on it. So you have to simply save and move to next question. So next question is, introducing a boy, a girl said, he is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. How is the boy related to the girl? So right answer should be uncle. So इस तरह से आप पूरे 90 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, अपना टेस्ट सबमिट करेंगे एंड देन यू विल सी योर ऑनलाइन स्कोर. तो आपको प्रॉपर सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा. सो एड्यूरीफाई करो, पढ़ाई करो. थैंक यू.